Ang gawa. Spaces, so yeah, something to spend. It's not that degrading as much. It's literally build mounts. It don't have any like that much. Um, overrated. Well, really good. This is my progress now, and I think I'm gonna stop here because I think YouTube's not gonna allow it. That is all.